At isang kagat pa. Ooh, dinamihan ko yan. Bacon. Ooh, look at that. Let's see. Mmm, mmm. Ang sarap. Ang tamis ng peppers, onions. Tapos hindi masyadong maalat yung bacon. It's really compatible sa pierogies natin yung bacon. Kasi yung pierogies hindi siya maalat. And vegetables and bacon. Mmm. Mmm. Sarap guys. Mmm. Cook this at home. It's very good and healthy. Para maiba naman ang inyong mga dishes. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next vlog. Bye!